Hey guys, it's Michael from MDO Video, and I want to show y'all my garage and my tools. I do electrical work, and these are the tools I use every day. This is my tool belt. I'm a huge fan of Klein tools. This is what's called a tip tracer. And what it does is, well, it turns off, is it checks voltage. See, it checks voltage on a receptacle. And I use this every day at work. It does need new batteries, and I'm got to replace the batteries in it. Now, these are my wire strippers. These are for cutting wire. These blue ones I use the most. These yellow ones are for cutting non-metallic sheath cable. Now, let me show you here. I just bought these. I just got these ones here on Amazon, these wire strippers. These are needle nose, and they're multi-function. If y'all have followed me on Instagram, go look on my Instagram. I just posted something a little while ago about them. These are my hybrid pliers. See? These are got lineman pliers, screw cutters, crimpers, and wire strippers. Let's see. I got a Phillips head screwdriver, square tip. You can see the Phillips head number 2 Phillips, and a 603 for a 1000-volt insulated screwdriver. I use this in electrical panels, multi-insulated. This is rated up to 1000 volts, so I use this every day at work. Let's see here. This is a plug tester. I'll show you how it works. You see? Then it trips the receptacle. See? This is for GFI receptacles. Now, I'm going to show you what's in my tool bucket. Before I do that, I do keep staples in here. These are for securing wire. Okay. Now, let's look at this. This is my tape measure, my Klein Tools tape measure. You see, it's got a magnet on the front, and I love using this tape measure at work. It's 25 feet. I've dropped it a few times, and it still works. Okay. This is my crimper. I've used this thing for a while, and it works good, but it's starting to dull, so I am going to have to replace it. These are my side cutters or dikes. These things are very dull and beaten up from cutting chicken wire. These are my lineman's pliers. I've had these for a year now, almost a year, and they work good. These are my heavy-duty diagonal cutters. See if I don't even know what the model number is on them. They're so worn. These are my angled dikes, D2000-48. Here's my Klein Tools J63050 cable cutters for cutting through 4 aluminum. I've got my Klein Tools, Klein Tools, and that's my screwdriver set, insulated. I use those every day too. See, I got these lock nut wrenches, Greenlee Commercial Electric. Okay. I've got no locks in there, it's grease. See, I got these little screwdrivers here. See, those are my little electronic termination screwdrivers. Now, folding hex keys. I've got a 1/2 inch, this will do up to a 400 amp. And then I've got all my other 9/32, 5/16, 1/4 inch, 7/16. Alright, channel locks. These are my channel locks. I've got channel lock 430s, channel lock 420s, and I've got some channel lock, some others too. I've got 2 pair of channel lock 410s, which I like. I like using channel locks. Let's see. And then these are my Crescent wrenches. And I got a little teeny tiny one, you'll see. You see, I got this little, here's the big one and here's the little one, see? Isn't that cool? Very, very big. Okay, and that's that for the boat. I got more in here. This is my multi-insulated nut driver, right? And this will do, see, this is going to do multiple sizes from 7/16, a 1/4 inch, and it's magnetic. I got a tap. This is for tapping out threads. These are my needle nose pliers, standard. This is my big screwdriver. This is 600-8 Klein Tools. This is an aluminum billet level, magnetic for doing conduits. This level I really like using. And I've got my rotary screwdriver. I've got a 20-ounce S-wing framing hammer. I've got a staple setter remover. And let's see, and I also have this Klein Tools cable stripper too, cable cutter thing. So that's that. How much time am I at?
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Oh wow, okay, good.
That could be part 1.
Alright, this is going to be part 1. Part 2 will be showing the rest of the garage and the tools. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and please subscribe. Bye.